Imagine sailing through the night, and as your boat cuts through the water, it begins to glow beneath you. Waves of blue light swirling around. What you're seeing is a natural phenomenon called bioluminescence. And it's not just happening anywhere, it's happening in the seas of India. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms, and it's more common in our oceans than you might think. But why does it happen? And where can we see this dazzling display in India? Let's dive in. At the heart of bioluminescence are tiny organisms like plankton, which glow when disturbed. These creatures emit light as part of a defense mechanism, making it harder for predators to spot them or distracting attackers long enough for them to escape. In the warm waters of India's coastline, these planktons can light up the sea, creating a magical glow. It's like nature's own light show, especially visible on moonless nights. Some of the best places to witness this natural wonder are India's coastal regions. Take the beaches of Tamil Nadu, for instance, where you can see the water light up with every wave crashing against the shore. This glow is caused by Noctiluca scintillanus, a type of bioluminescent plankton found along India's eastern coastline. During the warmer months, these plankton bloom in large numbers, making the seas look like they are sparkling under the stars. It's truly a breathtaking sight. Another stunning location to see bioluminescence is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands, with their pristine waters, are home to some of the most vibrant marine ecosystems in the world. The glowing plankton here make the beaches shine brightly at night, especially in places like Havelock Island and Rajnagar Beach. Some say it feels like walking on a glowing carpet of stars as the bioluminescent organisms light up with every step you take. But it's not just plankton that produces this glow. Certain marine animals like jellyfish and squids also use bioluminescence. While not as common on India's shores, these creatures can be found deeper in the waters where the darkness is nearly absolute. Jellyfishes use their glow for various reasons, attracting mates, luring prey, or even scaring off predators. It's a fascinating example of how life thrives in the deep blue using light to survive. From the Bay of Bengal to the Arabian Sea, India's coastline offers some of the most magical and accessible views of bioluminescence in the world. These glowing waters aren't just beautiful, they are also a sign of the health of our oceans. When the right conditions are met, the oceans come alive, and it is a reminder of the incredible biodiversity in our seas. So whether you are standing on the shores of Tamil Nadu or exploring the Andaman Islands, make sure to experience this natural light show. It's a wonder of nature that reminds us of the magic hiding just beneath the surface. Thank you for joining me on this journey through India's glowing seas. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more ocean wonders. See you in the next one.